Hi! In our previous video about Kobba Klintar on Åland archipelago, we told you that we found this beautiful tiny harbor in a sailing guide of this region, and this is it. This is the pilot book, and those of you who have already seen our video probably remember this building, which is an old pilot station, and this little guy here who is a pilot on the watch. And this book we bought in Mariehamn, in the capital of Åland, and we are going to sail there with you now. So stay with us. Mariehamn West Harbour is a busy place. Quite a few big ferries come here every day, and they turn around there in a narrow passage, so skippers have to be careful passing to the marina. And this is Pommern in the Maritime Museum. Tourists could visit this tall ship until 2016, but in November she was taken somewhere else for the renovation. And if you're interested how it goes, you can follow this on the museum's Facebook fan page. During high season the marina can be overcrowded, but when we were there in June it was empty, almost empty, and you could stay alongside the jetty or just like usually, using the buoys from the stern and the bow to the floating pontoon, like here. And now we can begin our tour around the marina. But first we had to plug into the shore power. And Agnieszka was in the shop, and she's coming back with fresh baguettes. Great! Okay, so let's proceed. In Mariehamn there are two marinas. One on the western and one on the eastern side of the town. The distance between them is perhaps 5 minutes walking, or by boat around 10 miles. So you choose the marina depending on the direction you come from. The architecture of this western marina is very interesting and unusual. But we come here to Mariehamn to make some shopping, to look for new marine charts and guides for sailors, and to climb up the hill with a very nice view around, and to walk around a nice town. But one of the reasons we like to visit Mariehamn is the sauna. The sauna, which is a center of social life of the marina, where you can ask Finnish sailors about the places you should visit or avoid, and to listen to some gossips. When you enter a secret code, the sesame opens and you can relax in a nice, warm Finnish sauna. A sauna which has a window looking at the marina and our yacht. And that's all from Mariehamn, OSS Marina in Western Harbour. And it's hot in the sauna and cold outside, so we got an idea to make the next video about heating on our boat.